Yan, good evening guys. Dito pa tayo. Yun, may perya na. May perya na. Oh, ang dami ng punta naman tayo sa Pailaw. Ayan. Oh, pupunta kami doon sa Pailaw. Yan, sa Tayabon Nature's Park. Ayan, 900 step. Dito tayo sa ilaw. Dito. Ayan guys.
Hanggang next month daw yan tatanggalin.
Ayan, oh, yun 100 step. Oh. Yun. Ba't nubo ka naman na? Oh. Yan 100 step guys.
Wala namang tao dito.
May pelikula sila sa baba. Babat tayo. Ang Tayabon Nature's Park. Yan, tuloy pa rin guys ang Pailaw.
Saan tayo? Diyan na.
May tumutugtog dito. Ano sa? Alam mo. Ay, may pelikula sila doon. Nanonood ng malaking TV. No. Nanonood na lang.
Tayo?
Ha? Malaking TV.
Wala na yung nagtitinda dyan.
Yan, maaliwala. Nalis nila. Nagtitinda. Manood tayo ng Pailaw. Oh, may malaki silang TV. Oh.
Be dead. Run it again.
It did. I ran 3 times. His values went up each time. You can't keep this quiet. In response, he's asking questions.
Ayan, oh.
I just got to call someone from the government. You don't tell people.
Tell them nothing.
Yan.
You didn't do it, Nelson.
Wait lang.
He killed a grizzly bear. Okay, he snapped his neck like it was a
Teka.
toothpick.
Listen, protocol says first sign of aggression mandates immediate isolation. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, this is beyond protocol. Davis,
I'm looking at him.
really look at him.
Yes.
That is not.
Oh, umupo ka doon sa may sing-sing.
Bakit nilipat ng
If we
sing-sing?
report this,
Ano
they're
doon?
Can't let that happen.
Oh. Yeah. Take.
Keep everyone from that. Sounds like.
Picture mo na kami. Picture mo na kami.
Teka. Oh, kawai.
Ano?
Baba.
Figure this out.
Ayan.
Dito na lang.
Baba tayo dito sa may kwan.
All right, everybody, listen up. I need to find someone who knows exactly what the hell this thing is.
Konting tao na dyan ay sa ay wala nang tao dito sa playground.
You must be Davis
Yeah.
Ray. Thank you so much for your help.
What happened?
I'm Kate Caldwell. I'm a geneticist in energy.
Unti lang yung
You recovered my
nagpapagod.
research sample.
Yeah, you missed?
Please tell me
Ba't inuubo ka na, ay?
residual particulates.
Uminom ka na ng
Yes,
kutsay?
that's exactly what I did. I always do that. Anytime something new comes in,
Huh?
Nagkabihan na ako.
Na.
I need that back.
Actually, I need some questions answered.
Daw.
What the hell is that thing doing?
Oh, daw maglakad kayo daw. Maglakad kayo dito.
I am not
Oh,
allowed
okay,
to
lakad kayo doon. Okay, maglakad kayo dyan.
Well, I guess we can't help each other. Okay, Caldwell,
Doon tayo
it's
sa
good to meet you.
picture
Nelson's
fight. May
right.
malaking puso
He's
doon.
growing,
Tara.
isn't he?
Yan. Oh.
At an unprecedented rate, right?
Yeah.
Strength, speed, agility,
Mm.
demonstrating levels of aggression you don't see in his species.
Come with me.
Last night he
Oh,
was 7 feet
madaan.
500 pounds. This morning he's almost 9 feet pushing it past.
Doon oh, sa puso.
There.
Ay, kalaki! Kalaki!
Ah,
Mas
Yeah.
kalaki!
hindi po.
So, guys, let's get George something to eat.
Mm.
Picture, picture, picture! Picture tayo!
Ah, tawa.
I am talking about
Tara, tara doon, doon.
Ay, po. Ganting puso.
Doon. Okay, mauna kayo maglakad para huwag patakbuhan, lakad lang. Kawan.
Right. Okay, Kate, I get all that, but it still doesn't explain to me how we doubled in size. Guys, we need to get that food in now.
See, CRISPR
Yan.
only allows you to alter the DNA of one cell at a time. But I developed a system which rapidly transmits changes to every strand of DNA in the host's body. Mr. Okoye, listen to me. I am the only one who can cure him.
George!
Ayan. Tuloy pa rin guys ang kalilaw. May kwan dyan.
Papalitan ulit nila yan. Sabi sa graduation ko.
May inuubo ka na. Gusto ko.
Paano ay kung doon ka na?
Hmm. Uwi na tayo? Ha? Uwi na tayo?
Ayun, nag-out na.
I know you're scared. I'm gonna end it.
Yeah. Upo muna tayo doon sa may manonood tayo ng TV. Oh,
It's okay, it's okay.
uwi na tayo
I'm a
karon.
biologist here. I look after this animal. I can handle this situation. I just need you to lower your weapons.
Dito na lang tayo sabi.
Please. It's okay. Calm.
Yeah. May pasok pala kayo bukas.
Stand down.
Ayan. Stand up.
Stand down.
Stand up. Now.
Don't worry, buddy. I'm gonna help you.
Wala po, umiyak.
Ayan. Ayan.
Nakatampay na lang kak na yan buong gabi. Bigay. Kababait yung mga tao dito ngayon na.
Mga bola-bola. Ayan yung mga bola-bola. Baba ang bola. Oh,
Kala ko sasakyan helicopter.
doon. Sa Maririnig ka ng doktor.
Lagyan siya ng pailaw din dyan.
Ayun o, puti. Ha, puti.
Lahat naman din, kuya. Bakit ba?
Puti. Alright. Minom ka ng maraming tubig. Ha? Pauwi na kami guys. At may pasok pa bukas. Ayan, 100 step.
Pusin mo yung sirutso.
Yeah. Wala namang bola-bola lang ang perya nila. Bingo. Wala yung shoot. Ha?
Dami tayo duman sa pagkakas.
Huwag ka duman dyan. Daming. Ayan. Pauwi na rin kami guys. Oh. May liga. May liga. Sinaraduhan nila. Pwedeng lumusot doon.
Malumusot.
Ay, nagbibinggo na sila. May nagbibinggo. Oh. Nag-start na yung bingo. Ayan. Nag-start na yung bingo nila. Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ayan. Oh. Pauwi na rin kami guys. Gabi na.
Straight. Pinama.
Anong premyo pag nanalo ka sa bingo?
Unan.
Unan?
Ayun na. Unan. Baso. Durabox. Nag-start na sila ng bingo.
At 72.
Oh.
Sa bolang ito, 5 piso po muna. Yung isang black, 6 na karton. May bayad na po. Isang black, 6 na karton yung ating lalaban. Straight, kaya ko na po. Yung ating pamamarisan, habang nagkakabay po tayo, ng laro lang 7. Okay, black up, bingo.
Pauwi na rin kami guys.
Straight, kaya ko na.
Gabi na. Minom ka ng maraming tubig, sige ah. Para hindi ubuin ah. May pinagpapawisan na.